It's Penny and the Professor. What's new?
What's new?
What's new with you? When Penny has a question, the Professor has an answer. She likes to help out everyone. That curious penguin asks all the right questions to help us all learn right along. It's Penny and the Professor. It's Penny and the Professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody, Penny and I were just reading our fluency practice repeated phrase for this book that says rap-a-tap-tap, think of that, and we noticed something today for the first time. So apparently we weren't observing very closely, but we just noticed, and probably you've noticed this already because you guys are so smart, but Penny and I just noticed the exclamation point at the end of the phrase. It says rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. And sometimes I've been reading it like it has a period at the end of it. I didn't even look. You guys needed to help me with that. Always, always, always when we see an exclamation point, what do? We read it with more energy and expression, right? So we should be saying, rap-a-tap-tap, think of that. It's exciting, and it should be an exclamation point. So I hope you noticed before we noticed that there's an exclamation point. Let's read it with some exclamation. I'll read it first and you echo after me. Let's try it. My turn first. Rap-a-tap-tap. Think of that. Your turn. Good job. Oh my gosh, you guys are so great at that. I'm sure you knew there was an exclamation point there the whole time. I missed it, but now I've got it. So don't worry. I keep going back and looking and making sure I'm learning everything that we need to learn for our book. All right, next up, our focus question is, how do our senses help us learn from Rap-a-tap-tap from Fluffy? And Cassie has a new question today. Cassie's new question is, what is happening in Rap-a-tap-tap? So what is happening in Rap-a-tap-tap? Well, I think there's a few things happening. And one of the ways I like to decide what's happening in a book is to act it out. Remember when we acted out some parts of Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? Well, maybe we could act out some parts of Rap-a-tap-tap. What do you guys think? Oh, that's a good idea, Penny. Penny wants to know if instead of acting it out, we could just do a tableau today. Do you guys remember what a tableau is? You do? Great. So a tableau, for those of you who don't remember, is when you freeze like the characters in the book. So you're acting it out, but you're frozen like a statue. So today's tableau is not a moving tableau, it's just the frozen kind, is going to be about the front cover of the book. So I want you to look at the front cover of your book really closely, decide who you want to be, which character do you want to be from the front of the book, and then try to freeze exactly like they are in the book. So after you've done that, I want you to send a video in of you freezing like the character, and then I want you to answer 2 questions. How did standing in that position make you feel? And what did it make you want to do? So how did standing in whatever frozen position you choose from the front of the book make you feel? And what did it make you want to do? Tell us in your assignment, and make sure you record yourself freezing like a character on the front of the book and then telling us how it made you feel and what it made you want to do. We can't wait to see your tableaus of the front cover of our book.